Differentiating functions with two or more terms. We know how to differentiate functions of the form y equals ax to the power n. If y is ax to the power n, then dy dx is n times a times x to the n minus 1. When we have a polynomial expression with two or more terms, it can be shown that the derivative is simply the sum of the individual derivatives. So if y is ax to the n plus bx to the m, then dy dx is n times a times x to the n minus 1, add m times b times x to the m minus 1. In general terms, we usually express this as y equals f of x plus g of x, where later on you're going to learn to differentiate different types of functions, so we're not just restricted to these sort of polynomial ones. In that case, then dy dx is just the sum of the derivatives, so f dashed x plus g dashed x.